Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. So let's start. But for this you need to have an Android device which supports dark mode. Now if I open my Facebook app, you will see that it is on light mode. Here you can see that my Facebook app is on the light mode. Now if I tap on three bars on top right corner and look for the option to enable dark mode, but you will not be able to find that. Now let's look thoroughly. There are no such options. But still you can get the dark mode on your Facebook app, and let me show you how. Close the Facebook app and open settings on your Android device. Now scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then tap on Software Information and tap on build number 7 times to enable developer options. Now go back to settings and you'll see developer options at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on that. Now here you have to look for Force Dark Mode option. And here you will see Force Dark Mode option. Now enable that. And this will force the app to use dark mode even if it is not fully supported. Now let's go back to the Facebook app. Let's close the Facebook app and open it again. And here you will see that my Facebook app is now on dark mode. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.